Today we're trying to replace the housing to the ignition cylinder on a 98 Jimmy, and we're at Pick and Pull. And I believe we're in a 2002 Chevy
Trailblazer.
A little nicer than what we're rolling with, but airbags are deployed already. We're gonna throw that out. Nope. And airbag's real easy. Let the battery stay off 15-20 minutes. If you're doing it at home, let it stay off for at least half hour. We're to the part where we can take out, see, since we're at Pick and Pull, we don't need to worry about any of these fucking wires. That goes to your horn if you're repairing and watch this video. So you get down to here, you take your rented, oh wait, and we're skipping a step. Anyways, take this out, put them in these pins, thread them in, and what you're gonna want to do is take this nut off as well, and for that we're gonna need to pull out a socket. I'll leave it rolling for you so you can get a good view of what we're doing. Yep. Now, if this is correct, this was the right one at home, we just grabbed tools and got in the car. If it's not correct, we're in a heap of trouble. Looked like it wasn't gonna fit for a minute, guys. Oh, we're gonna want to loosen it. That would be righting it. Well, we're gonna need some kind of grip here. So you know, this bolt's not easy to get out anywhere, not just at the junkyard. Everyone's worked on the shit already. You should probably use an extension about I don't know, 3-inch extension when you do it, because this is very difficult. Alright, so we got the fucking nut off. That's right. Throw that shit. I should probably use a puller, so it seems like it's on there. So, let's get that fucker locked in place. Let's get our puller out. Boom, boom, boom. And we're gonna stick these bad boys in here. Look a little heavy duty. And this one's gonna go right on here. Alright. Make sure these are tightened down very well, because you'll crank your bolt and halfway down one of these will pop out and you'll be pissed and you have to redo it all. So crank it down. Boom, boom. And you are gonna sit right there, and both of you are gonna sit right there. Now, I'm gonna need a tool. Fit both of these. Wrench. So, if you're wondering how to pull the steering wheel, the airbag was really simple. There's tabs. Don't worry about it going off unless you have not unplugged the battery. If you don't unplug the battery, then you better be nervous. Otherwise, fucking rip out the airbag.
One a little bigger than this, and this is the only one bigger than that.